Everybody sing.
Come on, everyone.
Let's all take care with fire, from Kenya to Zimbabwe. So let's not get burned and come and learn from Tochi.
Sicheze na moto wewe.
Jose.
Come on, everybody.
Fire is great.
But only when it's used properly.
Well, it's up to you to make sure fire is helpful and only does the job it's meant to do.
We call this
Fire prevention.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly review what we've learned so far about fire safety while cooking.
This is for the teenagers and adults. Children, you shouldn't be cooking with fire, and you need to remain away from the cooking area.
That's right, Tochi. And you big kids can help the chef by keeping the pets and the little ones stay away from the cooking area. This is an important job that you can help with.
Here we go, Jose.
Clear the space around the cooking area before you start the fire. Keep the area free of dish towels, bags, boxes, paper, and curtains.
Stay close to where you're cooking and watch closely.
And if you must leave, Tochi, put out the flame or the cooking fire.
Stay alert. Don't cook when you're sleeping.
Wear short sleeves or roll them up. And keep your hair and clothes away from the fire.
Keep children and animals away from the cooking area.
Turn pot handles away so that no one can bump them.
Always keep a lid nearby. Use it to cover a pan if it catches on fire.
If there is a cooking oil fire, never use water. It will only make it worse.
Use me.
And now, you know.